Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. So, Mamkhize became the first ever celebrity to reach out and actually meet up with Zola yesterday after it was announced that he was in dire distress and in need. Mamkhize and his son Andile Sane met up with Zola yesterday, and it seems like they are going to help him, but we're not sure how. So Mamkhize posted a picture of him and Zola together on her social media. And Sithelo Shozi, who's Mamkhize's ex-daughter-in-law, then went on her Twitter and wrote, "Is the fake facade of cloud being portrayed for me?" She tweeted this right after Mamkhize posted a picture of her and Zola. So basically, people were insinuating that Sithelo's tweet were directed at Mamkhize's actions, and that Mamkhize only helped Zola because of the media attention she's going to get. Sithelo hasn't responded to people asking if it was directed to Sean Kize. Now, you guys, please tell me what you think. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much. Bye.